Hello, welcome to Speaking Destiny. Are you ready?
Yes,
Good. And to start with, may I know your name?
my name is Lee and my surname is
Boom.
Nguyen.
Amin. And to Uri, do you have an English name?
Yes, mine is Tuongvy.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years old. And when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 13 December.
Oh, in December. I love it. And what's your favorite subject in your school and why?
My first subject at school is art because I like painting and drawing pictures, and I have art lesson in twice a week. I love this art lesson.
Okay. That's very talented of you. And how long does it take for you to get to school?
It takes me 10 minutes to get to school.
And what is the name of your school, by the way? What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school?
My school is
Fuzian.
Fujian.
Fuzian, right? Okay, thank you. And which class are you in right now?
Yeah.
Which class are you in that school?
My class is 6A1.
6A1.
And there are 48 students, and they are friendly and kind.
Okay, that's a lot, but it makes you guys to be bonded together, right?
Yes.
Alright. And what's your favorite TV program and why?
My favorite TV program is cartoon because it is funny and animated. In the cartoon gives me about history, nature, and animals in the cartoon.
And can you tell me the current cartoon that you are watching?
My cartoon watch is Doraemon.
Oh, Doraemon. Do you also watch like Tom and Jerry or SpongeBob?
Sometimes I watch Toonami.
Sometimes, okay. And how often do you watch Doraemon? How often do you watch Doraemon?
I watch every weekend.
Every weekend.
And I watch with my sister.
And with your sister. Good to know that you have a strong bond with your sister. And which sport or game do you find the most exciting?
The most exciting is basketball because if we play with have a good physical health.
Your physical health, right? Like it makes you healthy.
Yes.
Correct. And what is a famous landmark in your city?
In Vietnam, there are famous landmarks, and the most known is Da Nang. Tourists can eat local food and take the most beautiful photos. And in there is fresh and water clear.
Okay, let's say for example, I'm gonna go to Da Nang. What particular local food I can eat? What would you recommend for me to eat in Da Nang? Is it pho, bun? Like what local food should I eat when I go to Da Nang?
It's Nepal.
Mee kuah. Mee like pasta, right? Is it a noodle?
Yes.
Ah,
It's noodles.
thank you so much for the recommendation. Now, I've got over 4 pictures. I want you to describe each picture for each scenario. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good.
In the picture shows that there are many families in the living room sitting in the sofa to watch a cartoon, and they feel happy.
Okay.
And in this picture shows that there are 2 children play sport with all friends in the park, and they feel excited. In this picture show
he doesn't understand anything about the TV program, right?
Yes.
That's why he's like, oh, what is he talking about? Like he's clueless. Okay, now let's go deeper with the sport that you liked. So let us discuss your favorite sport. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
My favorite sport is tennis, and I play it in the yard. And I play with my friend, and I enjoy playing. I enjoy playing because it gives me a healthy lifestyle.
Alright.
And I feel and my friend feel is excited.
Yes, I do believe that playing tennis is really an exciting game. So, for example, there is no tennis. What is the other sport that you can play aside from tennis?
I can play basketball.
Oh, you can play basketball. And why do you love basketball as well? Same as tennis.
Because basketball is hard. Because I can play basketball on many people. And it gives me a full health, physical health.
Physical health. Yes. And thank you very much. And that concludes our listening test. It was a great analysis. Goodbye.